Good morning everyone. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Lal Bagh Girls Inter College Lucknow. I am Shalini Malhotra. Children, today we will study about antonyms and homophones in English language. So let us start with antonyms. Children, antonyms are also called opposites. Antonyms or opposites. The words which have opposite meaning are called as antonyms. We have written a word which has a opposite meaning. It is called as a antonym. For example, give, the opposite is take. Bright, the opposite is dull. Thin, the opposite or antonym of thin is fat. Let us take some examples, a list of some of the antonyms. Enter, exit, fat, antonym of fat is thin. Hate, love, cruel, kind, far, near, come, go, inside, outside, sweet, sour, S-O-U-R, sour, cold, hot, happy, sad, night, day, expensive, cheap, appear, disappear, backward, forward, right, wrong, close, open, heavy, light, laugh, L-A-U-G-H, laugh, cry, hard, soft, clean, dirty, few, many, dry, wet, give, take, shrink, expand, white, black. So these are some of the antonyms. I hope you will be able to understand all these antonyms and what are antonyms. So children, now let us proceed for the next topic, that is homophones. What is the H-O-M-O-P-H-O-N-E-S? Homophones. What are homophones? It is a word which sounds the same. When we speak a word, it sounds the same as another. Both the words sounds the same, but it has a different meaning. The meaning of those two words are different. Those are called as homophones. The words which sound same but the meaning is different. For example, number 1, D-E-A-R, dear. This dear means the spelling is D-E-A-R, but it sounds dear. A loved person. We speak dear for a loved person. D-E-E-R, dear. It is also sounding the same, dear and dear. The spelling is different. It is an animal. Of course, it is a wild animal, deer. Fair, F-A-I-R, fair. According to the rules. Something which is fair according to the rules. The spelling is F-A-I-R. F-A-R-E, fair. These two are sounding the same, fair and fair, but the spelling is different. First fair is according to the rules and the next fair is cost of a journey. When we give the amount and we have the receipt, that cost is called fare. Meet, M-E-E-T, meet. Contact with someone. When we have a contact with someone, that is called a meet. M-E-A-T, that is the flesh of animals, meat, which some people eat. Principal, P-R-I-N-C-I-P-A-L. Again, The principal, PAL, it is the head of the institution. And principal are the rules. These principles are the rules. PLES. There is a difference in the spelling and it sounds the same. SON, son, it is a male child. And SUN, sun, it is the bright star. We all see the sun, SUN, sun. It is a heavenly body. Story, STORY. Yes, the story a description of event which we read in a storybook. And STOREY, story, level of a building. Sometimes STOREY, first story, second story, that are the levels of a building. Week, WEEK, week. Period of 7 days. Like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, we call that a week. WEEK. And WEAK, weak, not strong. Not strong person. This is a weak person. WEAK. We pronounce the same, but the meaning is different. SOME, some, few. SOME, some, few. And SUM, sum, is arithmetical addition, which we do in maths. Both sounds the same. So children, I hope that these two topics of antonyms and homophones are very much clear to you all. And please do write the comments in the comment box. Go through the topic and have a good day. Goodbye.